Morning, Steve Free in Chicago with the morning grain comments. Well, it's that monthly USDA report day. December crop reports are usually not big deals. I think the trade looks for numbers for U.S. carryout, world carryouts, South American production, all these numbers to be about unchanged from their November estimate. The big report comes in January when we have a final crop numbers for U.S., a little bit more data as far as South American weather is concerned, and we have D1 stocks that will give us some idea of the quarterly domestic demand and how they want to change things around. As far as the biggest overnight news is that supposedly yesterday there was a phone call between China and the United States to try to move forward the trade deal and steps to get to that point. Overnight, beans are up a little bit, corn, wheat's unchanged. You've got stock market up, you've got crude up, you've got copper up, and so all those things suggest that the market is trading. We could have a deal sooner than later. The wire services also reported that China will come in and buy somewhere between 5 and 8 million tons of U.S. soybeans to put in their reserves. They might buy some grains, they might buy some hogs. All of these are in line with some chat room discussions we saw last week in China about them coming in and maybe buying 12 million tons of corn, 8 million beans, 7 million wheat, and some ethanol. So add that hogs to that, and it could be the shopping list eventually that China will agree to buy to have some kind of deal to remove tariffs on their goods coming into the United States. Weather-wise, South America, conditions look good. We are drying out in parts of southern Brazil and a few spots in Argentina, but it looks like over the next 10 days, some of those areas will get rains. We had some production numbers come out of Brazil today that basically is looking for 120 million tons soybean crop this year. Some people are higher than that. We still have a lot of the season ahead of us, but right now it looks like we're going to have another big soybean crop in Brazil. It might come in a little earlier than normal as far as harvest is concerned. Last week, funds were much bigger buyers of corn and beans than the market had anticipated. They may be positioning themselves for a deal. So not much response as far as USDA report today, but we will see if we add some premium back in on the deal. I think that most people feel that if we have a 50-cent or more rally in beans because of a deal, farmers should add to cash sales there, and you might see some people trying to pick a top in the bean market. Corn market probably is going to stay in this range. If you get over that 385 in the March or a little bit higher in the D19, you probably should start selling some cash. It looks like the farmer has a lot of corn to sell, not only from the 18 crop, but 19 crop. So any bump up should probably increase some cash sales. As always, these are my thoughts and not those of ADM or ADM Investor Services. Have a safe and profitable trading day.